Mornings are always hectic as we're trying to get the kids ready for school and out the door early to catch the bus. So I have to keep my pre-run routine pretty simple. First thing in the morning, I drink a glass of warm lemon water with a pinch of sea salt to hydrate me and wake up my digestion. I always take a dropper full of liquid vitamin D. Here in Oregon, we don't get enough sunshine, so vitamin D supplement is essential. I always follow this with coffee. There's no way I'm going for a run without at least 1 cup of coffee. I love homemade almond milk, but often don't have time to make it, so I'll just use a splash of half and half. While I'm packing school lunches, I'm standing at the counter eating a superhero muffin or a few energy bites. There's never time to sit down in the morning. Once the kids are out the door, I prep for my run. Depending on the length, I might need a little more fuel, so I'll grab a handful of trail mix, fill up my water bottle, lace up my shoes, and head into our garage gym to do yoga and mobility stretches. I have a 15-minute routine that I like to do before my runs. Then I'm off to the trails in a quick run before my workday.